If your refrigerator stopped making ice overnight, this tiny problem might be the reason. A refrigerator not making ice is usually caused by a clogged water filter, low water pressure, a frozen fill tube, or the ice maker being turned off. Key fixes include replacing the filter, ensuring the freezer is at 0 degrees Fahrenheit, -18 degrees Celsius, checking the water line for kinks, and clearing ice blockages in the fill tube. Here are some top reasons your ice maker isn't working. Water filter is clogged/old. If the filter is over 6 months old or clogged, it blocks water flow to the ice maker. Ice maker turned off. The wire arm may be in the up, off position, or the switch is toggled off. Frozen water fill tube. The tube supplying water to the tray freezes, stopping production. Water line kinked or turned off. The supply line behind the fridge is kinked, or the saddle valve is closed. Freezer too warm. If the freezer is over 10 degrees Fahrenheit, -12 degrees Celsius, ice will not form. Full/stuck ice bin. A full bin or a bridge of stuck ice prevents more from being made. How to fix it? Check the power/switch, ensure the ice maker is turned on. Some models have a bail arm, lower it, or a power switch on the unit. Replace the water filter. Replace the water filter if it is older than 6 months. A clogged filter is the most common issue. Inspect the water line. Pull the refrigerator out and ensure the water line isn't kinked or blocked. Clear the fill tube. If the fill tube is frozen, use a hairdryer on low heat or hot water to thaw it. Adjust freezer temp. Ensure your freezer is set to 0 degrees Fahrenheit, -18 degrees Celsius, for optimal production. Reset the ice maker. Turn the ice maker off for 30 seconds and then back on to reset it. Remove blockages. Clear out the ice bin and remove any stuck cubes jamming the sensor. If these steps do not work, you may have a faulty water inlet valve or a broken ice maker motor.